Hello students, this is Abhishek Sharma from Mount MLZS Jhansi. Today we are taking third module of chapter 1 of BBST of class 12th, that is nature of management. According to some author, management is science because it is based on experiments which are tested and repeated. According to some author, management is art because it is based on the concept of practice and creativity, and now it has taken the form of profession. So today we will discuss about why management is science, why management is arts, and why management is profession. So going to its subheading, management as a science is a systematic body of knowledge. Management principles, postulates, and experiments are based on experiments. Management is a science because it is universal in nature. Why management is arts? Management is arts because it is a systematic body of knowledge of theoretical knowledge. Management is art because it is personalized application, how you apply the principles on the human beings. Management is based on the concept of practice, how much you can practice it. Now, as upcoming concept, management is a profession because it is a well-defined body of knowledge. Second, there is a restricted entry. Third, presence of associations like IMA, Bar Council of Advocates. It has its own code of conduct and has its service motive. Start. So, management is a science because it is a systematic body of knowledge. In a science, the things are organized and a systematic study of material is available which is used to acquire the knowledge of science. Principles are based on experiments. Scientific principles are developed through observation and then tested through repeated experiments. Third, universal validity. Scientific principles have universal application and validity. So we can conclude, on comparing the features of science with management, we find that one feature of science is present in management, whereas two are not present. So management cannot be considered as a pure or exact science, but we can call it as an inexact science or social science. Moving to the second topic, management is arts. Management is a systematic body of knowledge, existence of theoretical knowledge. In every art, there is a systematic and organized body study material available to acquire theoretical knowledge of the art. For example, various books on different ragas are available in music. Second, management is a personalized application. Personalized application means how you can implement on the people by studying their psychology and by studying their perception. Third, these principles are based on practice and creativity. The artists require regular practice of arts to become more fine and perfect. So we can conclude on comparing the feature of art with management. We find all the features of art are present in management. So we can call all management as an art of getting the things done by the others. Now last topic is management as a profession. It is right, management is a profession because it is based on well-defined body of knowledge. In every profession, there is a practice of systematic body of knowledge which helps the professional to gain specialized knowledge of that profession. Second, restricted entry. The entry to a profession is restricted through an entrance examination or a degree. Third, presence of professional association. For all the profession, special associations are established and every professional has to get himself registered with his association before practicing that profession. For example, doctors have to get themselves registered with the Medical Council of India, lawyers with the Bar Council of India. Fourth, existence of ethical code. For every profession, there are some ethical code fixed by the professional organization and are binding on all professionals of that professions. Fifth, service motive. The basic motive of every profession is to serve the clients with the dedication. The basic purpose of management is achievement of management goal. So students, science, arts, and profession have its own features, which I have discussed and explained. Thank you, students.